How do I pay off debt when I can't afford the minimum payments? Why are minimum payments important? Minimum payments are important because they help people avoid paying too much for a product or service. Minimum payments also help people to budget their money better and avoid overspending. Why are minimum payments high for some people and lower for others? The minimum payment for a credit card is the minimum amount of money that the cardholder has to pay each month to avoid incurring interest on their balance. The minimum payment is set by the credit card company, not by the cardholder. This means that if you are carrying a balance from one month to the next, then your minimum payment will be higher than if you paid your balance in full at the end of every month. In other words, it's a way for credit card companies to make more money off people who don't pay off their balances every month. Credit cards usually set their minimum payments at 1 to 5% of your total outstanding balance. This means that if you have $1,000 in debt on your credit card and make only $100 payments per month, it will take you about 16 years and 11 months to pay off your debt. What are the steps to paying off debt? It can be difficult to pay off debt. Here are some important steps that you should take in order to pay off your debt as quickly and effectively as possible. 1. Create a budget. The first step that you should take is to create a budget for yourself. This will allow you to know how much money you have coming in, how much money is going out, and what your overall monthly expenses are. Once you've done this, you can set up a savings account that has a specific amount of money that is dedicated to fun money. This will help curb impulse purchases and allow you to save for your future goals. Finally, decide how much time you want to spend each week working on your new habit and what else you want to do with your free time, such as start exercising or take up new hobbies. 2. Make a plan. The next step is making a plan for paying off your debt. You'll want to decide which debts are the highest priority, then create a payment plan with those amounts and pay them down one at a time until they're paid off completely. 3. Pay on time. Paying on time is essential for paying down your debt efficiently because it will prevent late fees from accumulating and it will prevent you from accruing interest charges. Paying on time is also necessary if you want to avoid the consequences of defaulting on your debt, which is typically more severe than falling behind in payments. Here are 5 steps you can take to pay off debt faster. Step 1. Figure out how much money you can put toward debt each month. Step 2. Make a list of all your debts in order of interest rate. Step 3. Figure out the amount and current interest rate for each debt on your list. Step 4. Determine which debts you should focus on first. Step 5. Put your plan into action. Debt is a huge problem for many people. It can cause stress, anxiety, and even depression. Remember that debt is just a 4-letter word and you deserve better. If you need help with your debt, click the link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel for more great content. Please make sure to watch the next video coming up, it contains information you will love.